Hello online learners. Welcome to Principles of Macroeconomics class. This is a 16-week online class. We're in our home page. From this page, you can click on announcement, or if you want to check your syllabus, you can click this button. If you want to go to your modules, you can click this button, or eventually when you want to check your grades, you can come and click this button. All the information that you may need for Mesa College students services, I have listed this, or Canvas support, or whatever you may need. My information is over here. So let's go to modules, and in your modules, first I've given you an orientation module. You'll start from here, and just keep in mind as you move forward with this module, whenever you're done with the first one, okay, you've read everything, make sure you click on this button, mark as done, and you see this green. So once you're done with all the buttons and you have green for all the items, only then you can move to the next section. The next section talks about how you can access and purchase your ebook. We will use Roger Arnold's 13th edition, Principles of Macroeconomics with MindTap. And if you need other information, I've added all of these, that just in case if you're having trouble registering with MindTap, Cengage is offering online Zoom sessions just to help you. Again, that's under the Cengage publisher related information over here. And if you have trouble accessing the website, always come and check whether they have any issues from their end on the website. So once you're done with the first two modules, or first two sections, and then you come to your module 1. And pay close attention. Some modules are 2 weeks, and you may see couple of modules are only for 1 week. So what is in the module? In the first part, I've added the PowerPoint slides and chapter summary. I have added some additional videos and articles, and then you come and participate in the discussion forum. Once you are done studying the materials from chapter 1 and 2, you come and participate here, but make sure you check your rubric that how would Tamina grade you. Do not forget to check that. Once you're done with discussion forum assignment, then you'll come and take chapter exams. And keep in mind, each chapter would have 25 questions. You will have 50 minutes time. You have 2 attempts, and the highest of the 2 attempts grade will be recorded. So that's how all the modules are set up. That there's a discussion forum, 2 chapter exam, and APLIA assignments. So what are APLIA assignments again? So once we click on our book, after you've purchased your access code, you go into the Mind tab. This is the learning path. These are folders. If you open up the folder, pay close attention to the assignments, which has orange circle next to it. And it says counts towards your grade. Those are the ones you'll be doing it. So for example, if you click on this folder under part 1, we have chapter 1. Again, click on that. This is your ebook. And when you click on the homeworks and resources, you see a bunch of practices. Don't worry about the practice. Just worry about the ones that has counts towards your grade. These are all videos to watch. An adaptive test prep is you can do these practice, which I highly recommend. This would be very similar to your chapter exams. And in your ebook, if you click on the interactive book, this is your access to your ebook. And once you've uploaded the ebook, on the right hand side, pay close attention from here or here. Someone can read the book to you. If you want to increase the fonts, if you want to print, or if you want to bookmark, all these bells and whistles are available to you. I will pull up the flashcard. If you open up the flashcard, first you may see the term. If you flip it, you will see the definition. Next, or if you want to shuffle the deck, if you want to create your own card, all these bells and whistles are available to you. Again, going back to our module, so every module is set up pretty much the same way. First you read, you watch the videos or read the articles, you participate in a discussion forum, complete your chapter exams, and you do your apply assignments. Okay? But in the orientation module, just to remind you, there is an introduction quiz and meet and greet. These you have to complete by February 5th. Okay? But other than that, pretty much it's very straightforward. And again, good luck with everything. If you need to reach me, you can send me an email. I've given you the instructions over here. You can definitely send me an email. I've given all the details, instructions, or in case of emergency, try to reach me through text. This is my Google Voice number. Good luck with everything. Just remember, I'm here to help. And thank you for enrolling in my class. Bye.